What is PayPay Coin, $Pepe, is a popular meme coin built on the Ethereum blockchain. Since its public launch in April 2023, PayPay Coin has quickly become one of the top 50 traded cryptocurrencies. In contrast to the Doge meme coin, which took almost 4 years for its market capitalization to surpass $1 billion, PayPay Coin reached the same benchmark within 3 weeks of its launch. Although the price of $Pepe has been extremely volatile since then, the number of individual holders continues to increase steadily. Ironically, the PayPay Coin official website says that PayPay Coin is intended for entertainment purposes only, its tokens have no intrinsic value and there should be no expectation of financial return. In reality, however, over 100,000 investors have purchased Pepe and the meme coin has already been recognized by major exchanges, including Bybit, Gemini, and Binance. How PayPay Coin works. $SPP has a maximum supply of 42 million tokens. 93.1% of them are in the liquidity pool, and the remaining 6.9% are allocated to a multi-signature wallet for future use. PayPay Coin employs a deflationary mechanism that burns a small percentage of tokens with each transaction to create scarcity and potentially increase the value of the remaining tokens over time. Additionally, it uses a redistribution system in which a portion of every transaction gets distributed to existing token holders to encourage user engagement and long-term investments. How to purchase PayPay Coin? In order to purchase PayPay Coin, investors need to set up a MetaMask, Coinbase, or Uniswap wallet that can send and receive Ethereum and other ERC-20 tokens. Once the wallet is set up, the user can swap ETH for Pepe. It is important to note, however, that investing in PayPay Coin comes with risks because currently, a small number of investment whales hold large amounts of this altcoin, and their trading activities have already caused sudden price swings. The future of PayPay Coin. PayPay Coin's rapid rise to prominence is often attributed to several high-profile purchases that caught the attention of the cryptocurrency community on social media sites, especially Twitter. The unofficial roadmap for PayPay Coin has 3 phases. The first phase focused on launching the coin and promoting it through Twitter. The second phase is focusing on community partnerships and getting listed on Tier 1 centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, CXCs. The third phase is expected to establish a PayPay Academy and promote PayPay merchandise. History of PayPay the Frog. PayPay the Frog is a cartoon character that was created by artist Matt Fury for his comic book Boys Club, which was first published in 2005. PayPay, who was characterized as a peaceful and good-natured frog, became a popular internet meme and was widely shared across various social media platforms. During the 2016 US presidential election, however, the character was co-opted by various online communities and used in numerous memes that spread hate speech, racist ideologies, and other forms of discriminatory content. In response, Fury partnered with the Anti-Defamation League, ADL, to reclaim the character's original, more positive context through various means, including a Save PayPay campaign. Although Matt Fury has the legal right to seek compensation for any commercial use of his creation, he does not appear to be actively pursuing copyright claims against the creators of PayPay Coin at this time. Friends, I hope you liked this video. You must have understood the information. If you like it, then like it and share it with your friends.